When you're ready, Wes. Okay.
Your big arms. Remember to blow bubbles. Your big arms and come up for a breath, okay?
Big arms.
Somebody say on Martha.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Big arms, yeah.
Big arms. What happened?
Big arms, Wes. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Attaboy, big arms. Keep kicking. He's swimming, Cam. Hold on, babe. Good job, Wes. Wow. You girls are silly. Okay, do handstands for him. Do hand. Okay, wait. Do handstands for Wes. Okay, handstands together. You go over here, Cammy. Or Abby, you go over here, and Cammy, you go there and do handstands at the same time.
I'll do over here. You do over here.
Okay, go.
Ready?
On your mark, get set, go. Handstands. All right, Kyle, go ahead, buddy.
Let's do it again.
Wesley, swim one more time. Mommy's going to take a video.
Wow, look at Kyle's handstand. Wow. That's awesome, Kyle.
That's a handstand.
Yeah. Say hi, Hannah.
Wesley, that's not how you do your legs, bud.
Say hi, Hannah. Hannah. Say hi, Mimi and Papa. No, here to the camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Good girl.
She's looking around for him.
Okay, Wes, go ahead.
Hey,
Wes, 3 lines is easy. You did that in your sleep last night.
hey, no whining.
It's on video.
On your mark.
Video.
Go.
Yeah! Good job, Wes. Good job, Wes.
Big arms. There you go.
Wes, you almost did 4 lines. Awesome.